Hello guys, this is Eleftheria Barbagianni from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I've been asked to do a tutorial about the Pinterest Help Center. And as you can see, if you go to the main page, and then you can actually choose from the business side. As you can see, the main side, go to the Help Center. Has many things about how to grow your Pinterest business account. You have Pinterest trending tools. You have other ideas. We talk about the community. So you have a lot of helping articles here for you to start, growing your website and your blog, obviously, if you don't know from where to start. Because you have a couple of tips about how to claim your website, to verify your account, to personalize your profile. And you have some other topics as well here, like how to edit your profile, how to protect your board. So there are a couple of things that you probably don't know, you don't have an idea how to do it, and you might stress out and you don't know where to start. It's a good thing to visit the Help Center because you also have a couple of Pinterest analytics here reviews, so for you to make sure you can track correctly your traffic and learn how to find your strength and the weaknesses through the performances of your profile, and how to actually growing your business every month. So it's a lot of information here on how to start with pin clicks, engagements, impressions. So you should actually have a look through and spend some time, because Pinterest is giving us the opportunity to actually share all those information with us, because it's helping us to grow, and there is a lot of valuable information for you to to read, but also you can ask questions, and how to become a Pinterest creator, how to do things that you're not sure. So there is a lot of actually very, very valuable information that can help you. And don't forget, you have three actually main categories, we can say here, from where to start, then here how to create the content, and here the third one, how to create the shop. And as you can see, it's giving you a couple of ideas before you started with your catalogs, and you can get some ideas here. As you can see here, you have all supports from integrations, what integration do they do, what how to claim the website, how to prepare to get data from Pinterest, because it's very important for us to gather data and use it. So this is a couple of tips for you to have a look through. And as you can see, other things about your image, say your title, your pin and titles and all that. So don't ignore the fact that those are facts that can help you find the solution to a problem that you might have stuck. And of course, don't forget to ask me any questions in the social media. I'm on Twitter, I'm on Pinterest, I'm on Instagram, on Facebook. You can send me a message if you have any questions. And also here you have a couple of extra bits on how to get rewards, a couple of articles. It's good to go through all of it, because this is for business and this is general one. You can see here you have create, connect, collaborate, and share. And then you have privacy, the safe and legal side, how to manage account. And then you have the business, get started, as we say, create content, so you can check it out from here. And also you can ask anything you want here on this search bar. So those are a couple of tips for you to remember. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave your comments below, and please connect with me on the social media. If you have any requests, please let me know. I will be happy to help you.